Agave plant is an easy to care decorative house plant. It can be grown by just following a few easy things, and in this video we will see some key care tips for agave plant, so keep following to get maximum growth and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Agave plant is an ornamental plant native to hot regions of America. The outdoor environment is more suitable for agave plant, but it can be grown indoors with proper care. It's a little toxic, so better to keep it away from kids and pets. It's a very hardy and common plant. You can get it from any local nursery. They have a very long lifespan of 10 to 30 years, so you can just enjoy their beauty by just planting for once. Agave plant have several varieties with different leaf colors and plant sizes. A common variety like this one is most suitable for a beginner as it's very easy to care. The first and the most important thing in agave plant care is its season of growth. If you know when is the plant's ideal season, you can get along very well with this plant. It's a warm area plant, somehow desert-like conditions, but not exactly a dry and hot weather. A little warm and a little dry environment helps the plant to grow really well, and that's why you will see the plant growing really well in the springs and summers, while the growth of the plant stops in winters. If the weather is very severe, like extreme cold, the plant can die too. But a little bit cold weather won't harm. Just yellowing leaves and a stunted growth will appear. Overall, it's a permanent plant, but the growth happens only in summers, so summer season is its growing season. Another key thing in agave plant care is its soil media. Agave plant is very adjustable. There is no special requirement. Totally clay soil won't work. A little bit of compact and clayish soil won't harm. But for getting maximum growth, your soil media should be well draining and loose. This will help the roots to spread all over the pot and the plant will grow thick and big leaves. For making a cheap and effective soil media for this plant, you can follow the description box recipe and just make sure the soil lets the extra moisture drain, otherwise the plant will rot. Another important agave plant care tip is to place it in an ideal spot. Agave plant is a hardy outdoor plant, needs a good amount of light, not sunlight, just bright indirect light is enough. Little bit sunlight is also fine, but a shaded area with a low light condition limits the growth of agave plant. Simply find a spot with a full day of bright light or just 1 to 2 hours of morning sunlight, both works fine. In a dark area, yellow leaves appear, plant may stop growing or go laggy. Overall, agave plant needs a bright area with indirect or filtered sunlight. Here you can also subscribe to our channel. Another key thing in agave plant care is the size of its pot. Agave plant grow huge over time. It's mainly used in outdoor landscaping where it's planted in the ground. For growing it in a pot, you can choose a bigger pot or choose some dwarf variety of agave plant. You can repot your plant once a year or every alternate year. It's hardy and adjustable. For a proper and safe repotting guide, you can follow the description box video. For the fertilization of agave plant, you can use any good fertilizer. Nitrogen is the basic need of agave plant. Make sure your fertilizer is nitrogen enriched. You can use a fertilizer once a month. For making a fertilizer, follow the description box video. When we don't fertilize a plant, the soil nutrients decreases and plant faces a shortage of nutrients. This problem causes slow growth, yellow leaves and much more. So just use a balanced fertilizer like compost or compost tea, whatever you have. Agave plant is a hardy plant, very less pest attack on it, but sometimes aphids and scale insects may appear on a weak plant. For that you can use neem oil spray, which works the best to keep a pest away. Video on neem oil making and using is added in the I button. It's all about agave plant care tips. To know about a similar but even more hardy and low maintenance plant, you can follow this video on Ponytail palm care. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.